Okay, me and Danny are at the volcano and Biggie Island, and on this part of the volcano,
this is the vent, the hole where the steam comes out of the volcano. You can smell the sulfur. It's so hot. Oh my god. It stinks so bad and it's so hot you feel it come up. Honey, come feel this.
yeah, I felt.
Come.
Look the smoke.
Honey, that was scary. Let's go see the view from the inside of the volcano.
So much fun. Check this out. I'm prepared. I got boots. Daniel, it's not. She was going to the beach. She was naked. Little kids, check it out.
Covered in blue. I got it. Dad, John.
Oh, your video have zoom too.
You see in the video?
Yeah, you have zoom, but it doesn't. It's kind of. You can barely see it.
Man, I wonder how much time does it take for that lava drop.
So cool. Honey,
Muito legal.
what did you learn today?
Oh.